Hello, everyone. I'm teacher Jonah. In this lesson, we're going to learn about short and long vowels using a simple strategy called divide and mark the vowel. Before we begin, let's remember the difference between long vowels and short vowels. A long vowel says its own name. For example, in the word cake, the letter A says A. A short vowel makes a short sound. For example, in the word cat, the letter A says A. Let's read a few examples together. The first word is jealous. We divide it into gel and ooze. The vowel in gel makes a long E sound, so we mark it as a long vowel. Let's read it together. Gel ooze, jealous. Next is extremely. We divide it into X, treem, lee. Listen carefully. X has a short E sound. Treme has a long E sound because the vowel says its own name. Now read it with me. Extremely, extremely. Let's try another one, premium. Divide it into pre, mi, The first syllable pre has a long E sound, while mi has a short I sound. Let's read it together. Pre-mi, premium. Here's another example. Trespassing. We divide it into trace, pass, ing. Each vowel makes a short sound. Read it with me. Trace passing, trespassing. Now, look at the word. The word beige is divided into bay, ge. The vowel team A makes a long A sound. Read it with me. Beige, beige. Next is fortnightly. Divide it into fort, night, lee. The word night contains a long I sound. Let's read it. Fortnightly, fortnightly. Now let's read lyrics. Divide it into lyrics. The first syllable has a long I sound, while the second syllable has a short I sound. Read it together. Lyrics, lyrics. Next is peril. Divide it into per, ill. Both vowels make short sounds. Read it. Per ill, peril. Our next examples is flourishing. Flourishing becomes flower, ish, ing. Notice the different vowel sounds as you pronounce each syllable. Courageous becomes su, ra, geus. The first syllable has a long vowel sound, helping us pronounce the word correctly. Now let us have our activity. Activity 4. Build the word. Instructions. Divide each word into syllables and clap once for every syllable. Example. Premium pre, mi, Now try these. Jealous. Extremely. Courageous. Flourishing. Fortnightly. Lyrics. Good job. This time, let us now apply in real-life situation the lesson we studied. Now that we've learned about short and long vowels, let's see how they help us in everyday life. Imagine you're at the supermarket with your family. Your mom asks you to get a cake for a birthday party. If you don't recognize the long A sound in the word cake, you might read it incorrectly and become confused. Now imagine your teacher says, "Please put your bag on the mat." The word mat has a short A sound. Knowing the short vowel sound helps you read the instruction correctly. Understanding short and long vowels helps us read books, follow directions, spell words correctly, and communicate clearly every day. Let us now check your understanding of the lesson through our quiz. The instruction is to choose the correct letter of the correct answer. Beginning with number 1. What is a long vowel? A. A vowel that is silent. B. A vowel that says its own name. C. A vowel that is never pronounced. D. A vowel that is always at the end of a word. Let's have number 2. Which word has a short vowel sound? A. Cake. B. Bike. C. Cat. D. Note. Let's proceed with number 3. Which word has a long vowel sound? A. Pig. B. Bed. C. Cube. D. Sun. Moving on with number 4. Which word ends with a silent E, making the vowel long? A. Mat. B. Bike. C. Dog. D. Pen. Next is number 5. Divide the word premium correctly. A. Premium. B. Premium. C. Premium. D. Premium. Let's move to number 6. Which syllable has the long vowel in the word fortnightly? A. Fort. B. Night. C. Lee. D. All syllables. Next is number 7. Which word has only short vowel sounds? A. Trespassing. B. Beige. C. Courageous. D. Bike. Continue with number 8. Why do we divide words into syllables? A. To make words longer. B. To make spelling harder. C. To help us pronounce words and identify vowel sounds. D. To change the meaning of words. Moving on with number 9. Which word contains a long a sound? A. Hat. B. Bag. C. Beige. D. Map. And lastly we have number 10. Which sentence contains a word with a long vowel? A. The cat sat on the mat. B. Ben fed the dog. C. I rode my bike to school. D. The pig is pink. Let's check if you got the correct answers. Here are the answer key. 1. B. A vowel that says its own name. 2. C. Cat. 3. C. Cube. 4. B. Bike. 5. B. Pre-mium. 6. B. Night. 7. A. Trespassing. 8. C. To help us pronounce words and identify vowel sounds. 9. C. Beige. 10. C. I rode my bike to school. Good job, and we will have another interesting topic next time.
Thank you for joining us today. If you or your child is struggling in English, High5 Education is here to help you build confidence, improve reading, writing, grammar, and communication skills through engaging and personalized lessons. Our experienced teachers are ready to guide learners and help them achieve their learning goals. You may contact High5 Education by messaging us through our page. Office at high5education.com.au, www.high5education.com.au, www.facebook.com/high5education, www.youtube.com/@high5education. 61435195888.